So friends, when it comes to Google Drive, people look for new features in Google Docs, hidden features in Google Sheets, and interesting features in Google Slides. But Google Drive is a commonly integrated hub for all those features. Today, I am going to show you 3 features of Google Drive that you may have never heard of. One of them is to see the file locations. You can now see the location of your file where it is saved on Google Drive. So for that, let us go to our computer screen.
So you can also see the location of the particular file, which is where this particular file is saved into the Google Drive. So for that, you have to click here in search options, and here you will get the location. From anywhere, you have to change to my drive and select and say search. So moment you hit search, it will now add one more column over here, the location. That means this file is located over here. When you bring your cursor on that particular location, it will show you the file where it is located. So in this way, you can see the location of all your files. It will display, it will expand and display the list of folders for where your file is saved on Google Drive. The second feature, which was introduced in May 2022, that you can now search for Google Meet content in Google Drive. That means if you have used Google Meet for video calls and meetings with your teams, then you may head to Google Drive for items related to that meeting. Instead of searching through folders and files, you can find all Google Meet content in Drive using a simple search. Go to your search option in Google Drive and type app colon inverted commas Google space Meet and hit enter. So moment you hit enter, you will get a list of Google Meet content which is linked to Google Meet, and you don't have to search this content in Google Drive manually. So in this way, you can find all your Google Meet content at one place instead of searching for it. Third feature is cut, copy and paste file with shortcuts. As you must be aware, in Windows, Ctrl C is used to copy the file and Ctrl V is used to paste the file. Ctrl X is used to cut the files from one place and Ctrl V is used to paste the files in other place. Similarly, now in Google Drive, you can also cut, copy and paste files from one place to another. Suppose if I want to copy these two files, I have to just select them by pressing Ctrl. I will type Ctrl plus C. I'll copy this file, and now I'll come here and I'll paste it by typing Ctrl plus V. The two files have got copied to this particular folder known as backup. You can also cut this file by pressing Ctrl X from here, and if you want to paste this file in this particular folder, you can come over here and say Ctrl V. So again, as you can see, this file has moved over here.
So please let us know in comments below what you think of this video. If you like the video, share the same and do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.